last SD card, last drone battery. We'll see what happens. It. Oh. No freaking way. I just got hit by so much lava. I somehow just recovered.
Oh, there she is.
Oh my god.
Oh, right here, struggling. Hell yeah.
This thing is like on fire. So I think lava must have hit the end of these propellers because these are completely shattered and like melted off. Holy shit. I thought for sure I was not getting this drone back.
They made it.
She's a warrior. Alright, I really want to look at that shot. Wow. Shit.
Nope, just fall down the hill. Just fall out of the frame. Ready, 1, 2, 3, go. Fall out of the frame.
Actually fall.